Welcome. May you nourish your soul with God's Word and nourish your bodies with healthy food. This morning we are doing blueberry breakfast quesadillas. I saw the idea from the fullrecipe.com, so you can also find it there. We are going to heat a skillet this morning to get it nice and hot before we put our quesadillas in there. So we're going to give it a little spray so our quesadilla doesn't stick. I'm going to turn on the burner to get it just a little bit warm while we prepare the tortilla. We've got a little bit of softened cream cheese here, a little bit of honey, and a little bit of cinnamon to stir up. We're going to add a little bit of cinnamon to our cream cheese. We're going to give it a stir before we spread it onto our flour tortilla. Just going to do a thin little bit of it on half of your quesadilla. Then you're going to sprinkle some blueberries on there, fold it in half, and put it in your skillet. It can be a little tricky to flip if you get too much in there. So we are going to start with just a little bit. Stick it in there. Do another one here real quick. Stick it in there and let it just heat up the cream cheese and the berries, and you kind of have a nice little berry pie for breakfast. And I started with about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. So there we see them in our pan. We'll just let them cook up a little bit. Then flip, and you'll see them momentarily. This is what they look like after 1 minute before we flipped them. Now we're going to let them cook another minute. Here's our finished product. We used about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese in there, so it's a total with a drop of honey and then our sprinkles of cinnamon. So that's about half a tablespoon of cream cheese per 4 flour tortillas. Enjoy. Pairing this morning with dried mangoes and 2 sausage links. Your great healthy breakfast.